Hey everybody, Craigleidheiser here, coming at you with some more DoorDash tips and tricks. In this video, I want to talk to you about and really address all the fantastic DoorDash vloggers that are out there, guys that are going out and showing what it's like to be a DoorDasher day in and day out. And I have some helpful tips for those people. One thing I'm noticing about when I'm watching all your videos, by the way, they're all great. Shout out to Bentley Coop, man. You've helped me out so much with your videos and helped me out with my DoorDash journey, and man, I just have nothing but love for you. But one thing I do notice about DoorDash vloggers is in their descriptions, they have no way to capture an email address. They don't have a capture page. They don't have a page builder that they're using to promote all the things that they're affiliates for, or using their links. And what I want to do is I'm going to leave my car and I'm going to go to my computer and I'm going to show you a simple $25 tool that you can use that will help you promote your DoorDash videos and get more likes, get more subscribers, and a way for you to connect with your customers and your fans that are connecting with you. So with that, guys, I'm going to switch to my computer and we'll see you here in a minute.
All right, back to my computer after a very productive day of dashing. Did $225 in 8 hours today, so that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy about that. So back to continuing with what the tips that I had told you earlier that will help any DoorDash vlogger, and that is having a page builder. I'm going to show you a quick page that I built. This is the Home Business Academy, which I'm affiliate, a member of, and I promote their products. And what I'm going to be showing you today is how you can use this $25 funnel builder tool to create pages, unlimited amount of pages, with your custom domain, and you're going to be able to capture leads, build your brand, email your customers and your fans in a nice, neat, organized way. And I'm going to show you what that is right now. Right here is the funnel builder tool. This down below this video, you're going to see Craigleidheiser.com /Doordash. And this is a lead capture page that I built, showing a formula to get an additional $3,000 in residual income coming in every month. And I'm asking for people's names and email addresses, and you're going to get a video series on how to achieve this goal. And the cool thing is that it also has a split test version. I can split test and have just my picture on there. So I'm capturing the lead, and then what I do is it automatically goes to a autoresponder. I personally use GetResponse, and when you go through the funnel, you're going to see how this all works together. But GetResponse is the autoresponder that I use. But I set up a series of email addresses inside that funnel builder, or inside that autoresponder, and I'm able to communicate and broadcast for those people, DoorDashers or non-DoorDashers, that subscribe to my list and got on my email list. So with this page builder, you can do that. And this is another page that after they go in there, I can create a thank you page. And a thank you page, basically telling them to be looking out for the email that I'm going to have sent to them, and I have that automatically sent in my autoresponder that will go out directly when they log in, giving them the videos of how to make this $3,000 a month in residual income. So that's really cool. Also in here we have, let me just go to pages. Nope, excuse me. Let's go to, I don't want to do that either. Let's go to funnels. I'm going to show you all the templates that we have in here. Well, before I do that, I'm going to show you another really cool thing that you can make here, and that is links page right here. For Instagram, or if you're trying to do things on Instagram, or you can create a links page. And I created this one here, and it basically takes you to your YouTube channel, get started DoorDashing, which has my affiliate links in there. This is a 3K formula that you were just on. And I also have a different program that comes with a 185-page free book on how to do affiliate marketing. And then, of course, I have my tools here, which I have affiliate links in there as well. So people can go to my Facebook page or my Instagram page or my Twitter page and be able to click on this links page, and it shows me selling them both, something I like to do, and I can use it. But this page builder does all that. So let me go back in here. I want to show you all the templates that we have in here. We're going to add a new step. We're going to go to page, and then we've got templates. These templates, I mean, there's so many, and we've got an amazing community. They'll donate them and put them into the back office here, where you can just copy their templates. And it's really simple just to do, is come in and put your, I don't know why it's having a hard time loading, but hang on one second. Okay, so they have these really cool templates, and they can get really basic. Like, let's preview this one. This one here, you can go in and modify any way you want. This is basically the same template that I used to create the DoorDash. But you just put your headline in, your main headline, you add your images, you can do whatever you want. I also can give you my exact DoorDash funnel that eventually takes you to the videos, and this is the videos right here, and it takes us to this sales page. And every time somebody signs up, you get an 80% commission. It pays you up to $120 a month in residual income for every referral. And if you're doing vlogging for DoorDashing, this is a great way for somebody to use this tool to get another $120 a month residual income that for content that they're already putting out there right now. So this is perfect for anybody that's out DoorDashing and doing videos about it. All right, and building your brand. So, and most page builders and funnel builders out there, I mean, they cost you $99 to $350. And this one here does everything you can ever imagine with it. Another real cool thing I want to show you real quick is you can have one domain, and then I'll wrap this up. I don't want to keep it too long. But you can have one domain, whatever your brand domain is, or in my case, I just use my name. But this has, let me show you, a new step. I don't want to get out of here. I'm going to go to settings, funnel settings. Oh, no. Yeah, and then URL to redirects. For every single page that you have, like this Craigleidheiser links page right here, you can set up a URL to redirect and have all your affiliate links with your domain name with / and whatever it is that you want. So you don't have to go back and remember what every one of them are. If it's Instacart affiliate link, you can have your domain name / Instacart. DoorDash, your DoorDash affiliate link, you can add those, and it's really easy to set up. So with that, guys, I hope you got some tips out of this. For $25 a month, it is a bargain, and you can make $20 a sale on it yourself for using that tool. So 2 of them and you're in profit, and you're using the tool for free is the way I look at it. So guys, with that, I hope you had a great day dashing, and we will see you on the road, either dashing or I will see you here next time.